Hello students, I'm your facilitator for AMP 504, Biotechnology in Animal Production. Today we'll be looking at basic concepts of biotechnology, recombinant DNA, and genetic engineering. And I know that you will enjoy this course as you come along with me. So I know that you've also enjoyed dairy product, bread, alcohol, beverages, and preserve, products that are animal-based. All of these are biotechnological products. So as we go along, you will understand many other things in the course. So sit back, fasten your seatbelts, and enjoy the course with me. Now, as you can see, my name is Dr. Olumate Samuel. So, and that's the topic for our discourse this morning. And I want to quickly begin with a few questions. You'll be asking, what is your idea of biotechnology? What's really your idea? Have you heard of genetically modified organism? If you have not heard, you will see some few things about them today. If you look at the picture very well, you will see that biotechnology is all about many things that we do day to day. The embryo transfer that bring about test tube baby, the animal breeding that we do, so that they can have sustainable growth. You can just see animal growing faster than normal. It's all about biotechnology. Right now we have COVID-19, and we are looking for vaccine, to be able to cure it. All of these are about biotechnological products. Animal nutrition. You see, animal being able to eat very little food, and yet their productivity is very high. All of that is biotechnology, okay? And many other things like that. So these are the questions that you need to answer. You say, okay, I don't even know anything about it. Well, that's why we are here to put you through. Another question that we will also look at is to help you to know few products that are biotechnological based, okay? So at the end of this course, a few things I want you to learn. Pay attention very closely. We will look at major contribution of biotechnology animal in science, look at the fundamental techniques which we use in recombinant DNA technology, and also identify genetically modified organisms. Okay. Now look at that picture. Can you see it? Okay, you will see that when we use biotechnology, I'll come back to the definition. We will see that the animal before and after, each of them, you see the pig, you see the banana, you will see the carbon dioxide, you will see all of these fruits. You will discover that this fruit is more nutritious as a function, as a result of biotechnological innovation. So what is biotechnology in the first place? It's a combination of two words, biology and technology. In other words, biotechnology is a technology based on biology. So what are we talking about? In biotechnology, we're able to harness, put together the cellular and multicellular processes to develop technologies and products that can help our lives and improve, our planet's health. So when we use biotechnology, we have more nutritious, products. Farmers earn more because there is high productivity. We have reduced oxygen level, the carbon dioxide level, increased oxygen level, and overall the health of the animal is increased, and we use less pesticide. So that is what we just spoken about. Our planet's health has improved. So we can see in this diagram, in this figure, the clearing of dolly sheep by nuclear transfer. All of this take place to be able to, come about a new species, of this same sheep. Now, if you look at this diagram also, we see fermented products. These are examples of biotechnological products. You can see bread there, you see your tomato, you see all of that product. They are fortified crops. That means that they are healthier. Your fermented dairy product is also here. So all of these are examples of biotechnological products. So of course, we use this biotechnology, we apply it in nutrition, we apply it in biotic stress resistance industry, biofuel, healthcare, and strength fiber. We strengthen our fiber products. Okay. Now we'll quickly look at recombinant DNA. If you look at the picture, we can see clearly before us. I know you have heard of it before. If you have not heard it, this is all about it. It starts with separating of gene, and we insert the gene into another gene. Two genes are combined together, genes of high quality to produce what will help humanity. So all of this basic research is required to get all of that together. When you look at it closely, you will see that the genes are used for bacteria to clean up the waste, dissolve blood clots when you have heart attack. I'm sure you've experienced where even situation where the human hormone is not accurate, it's not helping the growth of an individual. You can actually increase your height. I'm sure that if you ask science, they can do it for you, increase your size. How do you go about it? They isolate the gene, they characterize this, and they manipulate all of this gene. So like I told you before, the joining together of DNA from two different species insert it into a new organism and produce a new genetic combination. And all of that is very useful for medicine, for agriculture, and industry. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Now, the next slide is the third aspect of our topic today, the amazing world of genetic engineering. Wow. With all of this genetic engineering, you see the example of what genetic engineering can do, a test tube baby. And all of this is accomplished by in vitro fertilization. They're able to create, the spermatozoa and the ovum together in a test tube, and you can have a baby. That is the amazing world of genetic engineering. You see chicken plus. Can you imagine? They are able to make two chicken having the same leg, and yet we have two chicken. That's the amazing world. Banana that we used to know, just green banana. Here we have a red one. And we have various drugs that are produced by genetic engineering, and all of that is accomplished by artificially manipulating and modifying and recombining DNA, which is the essence of our being, together to produce a unique species. So that is the third aspect. In summary, in this lesson, you're able to, you come to know about basic biotechnology, genetic engineering, and recombinant DNA. And so you know that all of these three aspects, they are safe and beneficial. Number one, they contribute to our environmental and economic sustainability. Number two, and there is greater financial return on investment in anything you want to do, either in research or in agriculture, either in medicine or industry. There's return on investment. And of course, using all of this biotechnology and genetic engineering, we can have environments that are friendly in all that we do. So I know that this course has been exciting. Wow, to me, and I hope you also enjoyed it. In the next class, we shall be discussing genetic engineering 2. I hope to see you there. Thank you. So before I bid you welfare, please take notes of this short lesson I have for you below. You can do it and forward it to me. Just define biotechnology and give example of how it can be used. Give me 3 examples of genetically engineered products in your environment, the one you see day to day, and help and illustrate in a diagram or in a chart the process of recombinant DNA technology and comment on its importance. So I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.